Hola! Hi kids! How are you? Do you like the story about the Strela? Now, I want you to make the star. First, we need a paper, a glue, scissors, or a pencil. So we can draw the star first and then we can cut it so we can stick after. So here's the other materials we will need. We have a scissor, we can ask your parents, glue, a popsicle. If you have a stick, we can stick it later, and a pencil so we can draw the star, and of course, the cake. Now I draw a star. I have 4 stars here. I've got 3 in small and then 1 big star. Now, I will start to cut it. Remember, you can ask your parents to help. Be careful with the scissor. Ta-da! I made a one small star. Next, I want to stick in the popsicle. If you have a stick, you can glue it. Stick it. There you go. If you want to make more, see, I made a lot. 1,